All right, guys, how you doing today? So let's look at this. All right, can you see that? That is $10,305, right? Can you look at that again? $10,305. That is how much I've made so far with my online store. Okay, and why is this unique? Why I want to talk to you about online store systems, right? Uh, the first thing you need to know is that making money online, you have to use some kind of uh, let me say tact system or ways of doing it, right? You don't just come online just like every other person. Every other person comes online and they just promote anything. No, you want to promote something that gives you a lot of leverage, right? And the only way you can get those leverage is to have your own online store. Now let's look at let's look at Walmart, right? If you go into Walmart, most of the time you are going there to buy one product, right? But before you are done, you must have added 2 or 3 more, because there are a lot of products in Walmart that you may need. And that is what you want to replicate, right? It's almost like going on Amazon, and then when you go on Amazon, you want to buy something, Amazon is going to suggest similar product or related product to you, right? That is the power of an online store. It just makes you money. And that's what I keep saying. You know, I know a lot of people still don't get it. It just keep making you more money and more money and more money. And that's why you see already, from what I've shown you, if my phone is going to work, I've already made $10,305. Great, right? Now, how does an online store look like? Especially this mega link online store. Just let me go all the way here. And then I click on the dashboard. All right. Yep. And then just look at the store. How do you like that? I love it. Look at the products. Do you see the products? Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at over 20 or more products. And look, the company just announced they are going to add more 20 products, guys. They've already got over 30 or more products, and they are adding more softwares to this system, guys. It's powerful. Okay? Look, what I want from you is this. I want you to get it right. You know, just understand how this whole thing works. Look, the Mega Link online store cost you just $7. Well, come on, think about that. It's not like you are spending any money or something. It's just $7. All you do is to promote your online store. That's all. Just like me. You just, go on Facebook groups, and then promote your store. And when people come to your store and they start buying those products, you just start making money, just like you see me doing, right? That's why I showed you, so that you see that it's not a game. It's just simple, right? It's just simple. Look at that. Look at the products. Can you imagine all these products? You don't have to buy any of them. You just have your own online store system for just $7. And let me click on that commission. Oops, let's click on it again. Commission. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. I don't know. My finger is so big. Look at that. $10,305. And when we come here, this is where you're going to see the way the sales are popping in. Look at that. Look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? But look, I just want you to succeed online. I don't want you to be caught up in all this politics of affiliate marketing. You just want to do a very simple thing. That's all, right? and look, the Mega Link online store is the best thing out there, right? They have the products. They have the store already built for you. Everything is done for you. You only pay $7 to get access to the store, and it's your store. Anything sold in the store, you make money. It's crazy how simple it is, right? And look, they didn't just stop there, you know? They give you the online store. It's a complete done-for-you online store, which is amazing because you don't have to do anything. No, nothing. You don't do anything with this online store system. What do? I just talk about it. That's all. And then as people get access to the store, I start making money. It's so easy, right? Now, but what they went on further to do for you is this. They also offer you training. So, which is great, right? You paid for the online store, but now they are giving you training on how to promote your online store, how to get more customers and make more money. It's just exciting, right? Now, one of the things that make this online store the best out there, right, is, even though we compare it to Walmart, Amazon and all Superstore, No Frills and all those other stores which operate online also, right? Now the only thing that is different is this online store does not deal with physical product. No, just digital products. I showed you, right? They have softwares, apps, marketing system, coaching programs, all digital, right? And look, you can earn commissions on all the product from low ticket all the way to high ticket. So you could earn commissions of $7 all the way to $2,600. It's powerful, right? Without you even doing anything. You don't have to sell. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to do nothing. All you do is share that one link. It's called the mega link. That's why it's a mega link online store, because you get that mega link and that's all you promote. And once somebody comes to your store, buy anything, you make money. It's just amazing, right? And look, once you bring visitors to the store, every other thing is automatic, right? The system automatically follows up with your lead, so you don't need to follow up at all. They do all the follow-up. They invite your leads to webinars, training. Those of them buying the high tickets, they call them on phone and close the sale for you, right? And all you get is the commission, right? Just like me. You see the way I just keep getting the commission? That's exciting, right? How do you like that? I love it a lot, right? So if you are thinking, hey, Victor, look, I just have to get my hand on this $7. It's just $7, right? I just need to get my hand on this $7 online store system right now, because come on, look we're almost at Christmas and you needed, to be able to earn commissions and make money, because the kids have to go on vacation. Everybody has to enjoy themselves. You need to get the store and start promoting it aggressively right now, because that is one of the ways you're going to make some good amount of money. All right. So you want to get your own online store. It's very simple. Just go to the link in the description above. All right. Click on that link. And pay your $7. It's just $7, a cup of coffee. And you get an online store that makes you hundreds or thousands of dollars in commissions monthly. How do you like that? For just $7? I don't know. Who cannot afford $7? I think everybody in the world. But the beauty is the fact that with $7, only $7, you are able to earn commissions, even up to high ticket commissions, just like me, $10,305. But not only that, the most important thing is the fact that you now have your own online store with products, right? Imagine that. Look at 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 that. This is awesome. And these are just few of the products, right? I told you they have a lot of products. These are the ones that are on display. And it's just making people money. Crazy money. So go ahead right now. It's just $7 one-time payment. Click that link in the description above. Get started with the Mega Link online store system today. And if you have questions, you can privately DM me. We can always talk about it, right? And then if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. Let others know about it. Share it. Share it. With that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.